Gambella, also spelled Gambella, is a region in western Ethiopia. Its history is closely tied to the ethnic groups that inhabit it, primarily the Nuer, Eniwak, and other Nilotic peoples. Gambella is located near the border with South Sudan, making it a significant area for cross-border trade and cultural exchanges. The Baro River, which flows through the region, has historically been an important waterway. During the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Gambella was a focal point of interest for various colonial powers. The British and Italians were particularly interested due to its strategic location. The British established a trading post in Gambella in the early 20th century to facilitate trade between Sudan and Ethiopia. The region is predominantly inhabited by the Eniwak and Nuer peoples, both of whom have a long history in the area. These groups have distinct cultures, languages, and traditions. In the mid-20th century, Gambella became part of the newly established Ethiopian state. However, its integration was marked by conflicts and tensions due to the diverse ethnic makeup and the area's strategic importance. In recent decades, Gambella has experienced significant challenges. These include conflicts between different ethnic groups and issues related to refugees from neighboring South Sudan. The region has also seen development projects aimed at improving infrastructure and living conditions. Gambella's rich history and cultural diversity make it a unique and important part of Ethiopia's heritage. Thank you for watching.